Welcome to English Practice Everyday. This visual English practice video is for beginner level learners. In this video, we will describe this image in very simple English with short, clear, and easy to understand sentences. Throughout our practice, I will highlight important words, phrasal verbs, and collocations. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. This picture shows a warm and happy moment at home during winter. It is snowing outside. We can see white snowflakes falling gently from the sky. Everything outside the house looks white and cold. At the door, there are 5 people and 2 dogs. Everyone looks very happy. The scene is full of love and joy. Let's start from the left side of the image. People and clothes. On the left, a girl is standing near the open door. She is holding a black umbrella over her head. She is wearing a gray woolen beanie, a green puffy jacket, blue jeans, and black boots. She has a big smile on her face. She is looking at the dog. Next to her, another girl is holding one side of an orange towel. She is also smiling. She is wearing large white earmuffs, a green jacket like the first girl, blue pants, and brown boots. She is helping to dry the big dog. In front of these 2 girls, there is a large dog sitting on a brown doormat. The dog is wet from the snow, but it looks very happy. It is looking up and has its tongue out. Its fur is black, white, and brown. It looks like a Bernese mountain dog. Its ears are floppy and it has kind eyes. On the right side of the dog, there is another girl. She is holding a small puppy in her arms. The puppy is white and brown. It looks cute and calm. The girl is smiling and looking at the puppy. She is wearing a brown coat, black leggings, and brown boots. She seems very happy to be holding the puppy. Her hands are wrapped around the puppy gently. Standing next to her is a woman. She looks like the mother. She is wearing a long, dark blue winter coat and black pants. She also has black boots on her feet. She is holding a baby in her arms. The baby is wrapped up in a soft gray blanket. The baby's head is covered with a little gray beanie. The mother is smiling and looking at the children and the dogs. She looks proud and happy. The house and background. They are all standing at the entrance of the house. The door is open and we can see the snowy world outside. Snow covers the trees and ground. The inside of the house looks warm and cozy. The floor is tiled and we can see a few pairs of black boots lined up against the wall. There is a wooden coat rack on the wall with a dark coat hanging on it. There is also a small picture frame on the wall. The walls are light brown and the door frame is white. Emotions and body language. Everyone in the picture looks cheerful. The children are smiling and the dogs are calm and happy. The body language of all the people shows warmth and care. The girls are working together to dry the big dog. One holds the umbrella, another holds the towel, and the third holds the puppy. The mother is standing with the baby close to her chest. She is watching the children with love. The baby looks peaceful and safe in her arms. The dogs also feel at home. The big dog is sitting on the mat with its mouth open and tongue out. It is probably enjoying the warmth inside. The puppy is held softly and seems relaxed. Phrasal verbs, idioms, and collocations. The children come inside from the snow. They are taking care of the big dog. The girls work together as a team. They hold up the towel to dry the dog. The mother is looking after the baby. The puppy is held close and feels safe. The big dog is sitting down on the mat. Everyone is wrapped up in warm clothes. The family is full of joy and love. This is a heartwarming family moment. They are bringing in the warmth of home from the cold outside. The children are full of energy and happiness. It is a perfect example of home sweet home. Colors and textures. The snow is white and soft. The jackets are green, brown, and blue. The towel is bright orange. The boots are brown and black. The big dog's fur is black, white, and brown. The baby's blanket is gray and looks soft. The walls are light brown and the mat is dark brown. Placement of people and objects. The two girls on the left are holding the towel and umbrella. The big dog is sitting in the center on a brown mat. The third girl is standing next to the dog and holding the puppy. The mother is on the far right holding the baby in her arms. The coat rack, boots, and picture are near the door on the wall. The snow and trees are outside the door in the background. This image shows the love and care shared by a family. Even in the cold of winter, they bring warmth through their smiles and actions. It teaches us how to stick together as a family and lend a hand when needed. That's the end of our practice. I urge you to keep describing your surroundings in simple English to become more fluent. Bye for now.